What is behind me is a brand new 26 Ember 12RK. It is a tiny trailers only for $19.99 and with off-grid package. Let's show you what the brand new 26 Ember 12RK. What I like about it, this is a rough trailer. You could pull it really with a small V6, V4 even, a small vehicle. And you could take it anywhere in the mountains. Come completely. It comes with a nice spare tires and a cover. 2 propane tank in the front. You could see it's a tiny. You could see that both sides when you're driving it behind your car. It even prepped for 3 cameras. It has the Furion 3 camera, one on the right side, driver's side, passenger side, as well in the back. A beautiful awning. Look, I am inside the awning, and the awning go around. So if you bring this kitchen in the here, let me show you this awning. What I like about this trailers is the awning goes around. So it covers your kitchen in the back as well on the side. Come with a rough, solid middle. You could step on it if you want to go on the top and put your kayak, your bicycles. It has the racks. Come with the 400-watt solar panels. Come with a rack for your bicycles or kayak. You could stand here. You could sit on it. It's a solid, very durable. There's no question asked. It has also a stabilizer jack in the back with a quick connect for LP, so you could hook up your stove. Now, this is what I like about it. This is a true outdoor trailer. You open this, and you have a nice fridge, solid for shelf. You could put a coffee maker, toasters, whatever you want, shelf, solid countertop, hot and cold, hot water heater, on-demand hot water heater, tankless, on-demand hot water heaters. And you could do all the control of your fresh black, all this right here, USB plug, 12-volt plug. And also if you want a grill, you have a nice grill come on it in the back. This is the valve for your tank. Here's a receiver, so you could put a tray, you could put a bike rack, or you could put a kayak in the top, rack at the bottom. I love those night lights over here on both sides. Amazing. Ember, you did it right this time. You did it right on the 12RK. It come with a side AC, endless hot water heater, furnace, come with a furnace, hot water heater, endless. Sorry, I'm repeating things because I was shocked. They have all this on a 12-foot trailers. And then you have a handle here to grab yourself. And you step here, you go on the top, and voila, I have a rack. I could put my canoe, or I could my bicycle, whatever I want to put here. Here's my 400-watt solar panel, 2 here, 2 in the back. It's amazing. And you have a nice floodlight over here. And let's walk inside. Voila! I am sleeping, going to bed. Voila, I could sleep 2 adults here. It has a full bed, storage here, storage there. This is your solar controllers. Here's your air condition. Here's the furnace. Come through this heat. You could put a TV here if you want to, more storage. Also, this one flipped. I could go to the other side. I love those lights. And voila. I could fold it, could put whatever I want. I could store anything I want. And they give you also even a fan, run off 12 volt. So this is not just they giving you the air condition, they give you the fan, and it's very easy. You turn it, look how this, you could get all the heat, all the stuff for you, no question asked. Come and look at the 12RK. It make a lot of sense to buy this unit. And only at Best RV, and people they don't realize, only is $19.99. Come to Best RV and grab the 12RK.